I share easy recipes here, so if today is the first time here, please do not make it the last time of visiting. You will love it. My name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to fry this fish and trust me, you will love it. The name is round scarred fish. And my returning ones, thank you for always clicking on my videos to watch. Let's start with today's activity. I am very sorry about how I'm speaking, okay? I have some severe cold, but we have to upload video today. Yeah, so I am just going to cut them into the sizes I want and then we continue. I am so grateful for how you people cared about me when I was away for just a week. Yes, I saw a lot of, I am now seeing some of them. I saw a lot of messages in my DM or my WhatsApp messages, and please thank you so much. I did not know you guys care about me like that. Thank you so much. Okay, yes, so I'll repeat the same process till I am done cutting everything, and then when we are done we will continue. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, so please follow us for more videos. You can as well fry this fish whole like that, I mean without cutting it. Okay, so after that you just insert your hand in like that to bring the intestine and any part that you don't want in the belly, so that you can continue with your preparation. It is so simple. With the head, this is how you would do it. You separate it from the grill and then you bring everything out. You see, it is so simple. I will just go ahead and wash it behind camera with my lemon juice, and when I am done washing everything I will be with you again so that we can continue. Have you liked the video? If you haven't, can you please do so for me? I will be very happy. Now I am done washing everything. I will just go ahead and then add my all-purpose seasoning. There is some salt in there, so we don't need any salt. Okay, add some water to let this stay for 15 to 20 minutes and then let's fry it. Trust me, if you prepare it this way, it is so good. You can use only salt and that is perfect. After 20 minutes I poured it in my let's say basket or colander. Okay, and the water has drained. I'll go ahead and then coat it in my flour and then fry this. So do you want to fry this without the flour, you can go ahead and do so. It is done perfectly. Okay, I have recipes here that I did not use any flour, but I got it perfect. You can go through it. In fact, if you want a lot of fish recipes, oh my goodness, you are at the right place, because we eat a lot of fishes at home than the meat. Okay, yes, now put everything in that oil and then make sure the fire is not too high and then it shouldn't be too low as well, because we want the inside to cook perfectly and we want the outside to be crispy. Have you liked the video? Have you shared? Or have you leave me a comment? I'll be very happy if you do so for me. Okay, just subscribe or follow for more videos. They don't take money. It has been in the oil for some time and just look at that, it looks so good. I'll go ahead and then flip it to the other side. You can as well use your kebab stick to turn it or to flip it. Okay, yes, but you know, I've been frying this for a very long time, so I know how to handle it so that it will not scatter. Now the fish is ready, but I like my fried fish to be very dry, so we are going to leave it on fire for extra minutes again so that it can be dry for us, or we will get it like the way we want it. Now after we waited for some few minutes, our fish is ready. I'm going to remove it from the oil and then let this be on the paper towel or in my colander so that the oil can drain. Okay, we know we cannot dry everything or drain everything, cannot drain everything from the fish, but at least we will be able to drain something. Okay, Yes, our fish is ready. Thank you so much for spending some time with me, and please do not forget to share this video to others, and let me see you in the next one. You can't afford to miss it because you will love it, trust me. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye bye. Perfect.